Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Kanen Coffee, and I'm going to make this quick video just to test the steam wand on this Anza espresso machine. Pretty much it came in and the steam wand was only shooting out of one of the holes in the spout. Truth be told, it was the coffee, or milk buildup that was inside of here, so I did, with the right tools, you could take off this whole knob, take it out, took off the tip, soaked it all in Anza. This is usually what you would use to clean your milk spouts. As you can see, you would put the steam wand in either your milk thing, or if you have super automatic, you put it in a cup to clean it out, because milk on hot metal will cook and it will stick to the walls and it will stick inside, especially here. Usually it doesn't get up here, sometimes it does. With some machines it goes into the boiler, but for this one it doesn't. It usually sticks around here. So yeah, we're just going to test the steam. We already have it cooked. As you can see, very strong steam running through the whole machine. And yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this repair or any of our other videos, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.